Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here to share with you a little bit about what's in my purse. And let me give you a little bit of background because I have been on the market for a new work bag for quite some time now. And I came across this Teddy Blake bag in the Teddy Blake company, and this is my new purse. I was hoping that I could use this as a work bag, but it's just not very practical for that. It's stunning, it's beautiful. I would say it's more so like a going out bag or, like a personal bag, but for work, it's just not very practical for me. So yeah, I'm still on the market for a new work bag to upgrade from my last one, which is this little backpack from Amazon. And the reason why I wanted to upgrade, there's nothing wrong with this one. It's very practical, very stylish and everything, but I dress up a lot for work, and sometimes, wearing a backpack, it's not really, doesn't complete the outfit. It's the only reason why I've been on the market for one. So I have my eye on one. I'm gonna order it and then try it out for a couple weeks and then let you guys know my thoughts on it. And the price tag on that one is actually really good. So I will try it out and let you guys know what I think. But for today, I just want to talk about Teddy Blake, a little bit more about them. So they make luxury handbags at affordable prices. So if you're on the market for like a nicer bag, but you don't want to break the bank, this might be a good option for you. I was really in love with the packaging and how it came really fast. They have different styles. They're true made in Italy with Italian premium leather. Very luxurious, but at affordable prices. I have been getting lots and lots of compliments about this bag since I have it, and it's something that I will be definitely wearing more in the future. The bag name is the Kate Croco 12-inch in black by Teddy Blake. This is what it looks like. It's very beautiful. It has gold details and premium Italian leather. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to show you what's inside. I kind of have been using this for work, so you'll see that. The one thing I like about it is right now it's cinched in, and I love this look. But if you needed to, you can unzip this or unbuckle it, and you would have way more space, just like that. So that definitely is more spacious, but I just prefer the look of it buckled in. The first thing I have here from today, because I was working today, it's my planner. This is my Erin Kindred planner. This is what I use for work. I have been using it for the past like 5-6 years. So I love Erin Kindred, and if you're wondering, I have their Daily Duo life planner. So that's an essential for me. I use a combination of paper planning and also Google Calendar and online planning. That's what I do. The next thing I have here are my glasses. These are my work computer glasses. They were super cheap. They were like $10. Then I have my wallet. I have my laptop charger. Like for example, today I was at a coffee shop, so I take my bag, my planner, pens, and my charger in there, and then I carry this, which is my little folder with important documents that I'm actively working with, like any leads. I have a listing presentation book here and an information from like a lender training that I went to, and then my actual little notebook area. So this is what I've been taking to work, and this is from Staples or Office Depot. And then I also just take my laptop, fold it, and put it on top of the folder thing that I have. And that's what I've been taking to work. And it's been working fine, but I just want to have a bigger bag where I can take, my vlogging equipment, like my tripod, my camera, my microphones, my gimbal. Like there's so much that goes behind the scenes for social media when I'm doing content. So I want to make sure I can fit all of that in my bag. The next thing I have, besides my charger, I have my credit card in here, my AirPods. This is a really cute case I got from Amazon. I'll link it below. Super on brand. I have a face mask from Align. I think that's all for the main pocket. So you have the main area and you have 2 pockets on the side. And then on the side pockets, I have a receipt, This is like a real what's in my purse, guys. Like I didn't take things out or anything. This is where I put my business cards, again from Amazon. Really cute. Right now it's empty because I gave all of mine away, so I need to refill them, which I actually have them right here. So I just take a little bunch and then just put it in here, and I keep refilling this every time that I need it. So now there you go. Super cute. I just throw that in there. Then I have, okay, that's a business card from another agent. I have a pen. I have the Kylie Boss lip matte liquid lip. Okay, well, it's the shade Boss, and it's in her lip kits. I am not a huge lip product person. I'm always, if I put like a red lipstick or something, I end up taking it off like 5 minutes later. I just don't like the feeling, or I feel weird with them, but I still, every now and then, I do like to wear it. And then on the other pocket, on the other side, I have a little first aid kit. I'm always the person that, if anyone asks for like a band-aid or lotion or hair tie or anything emergency like that, I am always like to be prepared, and I'm usually always the one that gives it to anyone that's asking. So I always have a first aid kit. It's funny, in the trip when we went to San Francisco, in Napa, every time someone needed something like, oh, can I have some lotion? Or it was this thingy. So this little Tide to go mini was such a lifesaver for the trip. I don't know why we were all needing it. Like, we spilled so much stuff on our clothes during the trip. It's actually empty. I only bought it for the trip and it's empty. So yeah, I always like to keep stuff like that in my purse. On the other side, I have another lip kit. This one is Kylie. This one's a little bit more wearable for me. It's more neutral. I have my MAC Studio Fix powder. This is what I use for touching up my makeup throughout the day. I have been a fan of this for a long time. That's pretty much it. So this is, again, the Teddy Blake Croco 12-inch. If you're wondering if it fits a 13-inch MacBook Pro, it barely does. That's something I was curious about when I was in the market or kind of researching this bag. So when you have it cinched out, it fits, but it's not very comfortable. But if you're okay with this look and not having a lot more space, then it might work for you. So that's basically what's in my purse. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to get your own Teddy Blake bag, check out the description box below.